Alright guys, so I got Unity open now. We got our characters and our platform ready made. So what we want to do right now is go to our Playmaker editor and add a new FSM. Now we get our FSM, we'll go to our actions. We want to look for get axis. Select that. On axis name, we want to name that, we want to type in horizontal. Multiplier, we'll just put 5 just for now to see if that works out. And we want to store it in a new variable. We'll call that movement. Okay, and next step is to set velocity 2D. Velocity 2D. And from here, we want to select this box right here and make sure it says none. And on the X, we want to select our movement. Every frame, yes, we want to check that so that it updates every frame.